And job.
Alright, so we're looking at the
Drag link.
And it's loose. Just had that done at a major Northwest tire store. And, you kind of expect things to be working.
Well, you expect a complete job.
That's done.
That's bullshit.
Yeah.
I mean, that's supposed to be tighter than hell. That's, what that does, it'll wear on the threads, and then all of a sudden it'll pop apart. So, anyway, always look after somebody does something for you.
And those bolts aren't lined up either.
The two clamps are supposed to be lined up.
Yeah.
I'll get a hammer. What size is that? Looks like 3/4 to me.
Yeah. Oh, God.
That one's none too tight either.
Yeah.
Okay, they're still not lined up quite right. They're supposed to be right on the crack. There we go. Uh-oh. Went too far. Okay, let's see if I got the right size wrench. Yep, I did. No, it's got smaller on one end, huh?
So?
Yeah, it must be. Shine the light on it. Let's see what it is. No, it's 11/16 or metric. All right. It must be metric.
Yeah.
All right. So that's, I'm gonna guess that's an 18 or a 19. Might even be bigger than that. There's a 19. Okay, it's an 18. There we go. God, they're supposed to be a lot tighter than that. Huh. That one still seems like it's out of whack. No, it's actually that one. We're okay. Alright.
Yeah, that's a loose one.
That's why I wanted to do it with a wrench. Normally I just do it with an air gun, but somebody missed the boat on that, didn't they?
Oh, yeah.
I'd send this video right to
the tire store
myself. You can see the parts are brand new.
Yeah. Annoying.
I'll tighten the. It doesn't matter. Yeah. One look at that, and I could tell it was loose. Okay, I think we're good now. Let's see how much grease they put in it. Okay, yeah, they did grease it. There was grease in it.
Mm-hmm.
But this thing here, right, Jeff?
Yeah.
You see that dent?
Yeah.
There's a piston inside here.
Oh, yeah.
And the piston probably is broken off.
Yeah.
Because that dent would stop it.
I think the end of this is loose, too.
Where?
The end of the shaft.
Oh.
Maybe not.
Yeah, it's a little loose.
Yeah.
But you can tell it's original.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I took the one off of my 350.
Yeah.
Never noticed a difference. With the kind of weight you need, you could save 10 pounds right there.
Yeah. It's kind of insignificant.
Well, I'd get rid of it if I was you. It's not doing anything.
Yeah.
You want me to take it off?
No, I'll get it later. Yeah, I mean, it isn't doing anything, so.
No, it isn't doing anything.
But I will replace it, though.
Well, I'd just take it off then.
Yeah, but.
Okay, that's fine. Whatever you want to do.
I'm sure it's not causing any problems.
Nope. Not after we're done with these?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, well, I'm going to continue greasing, but anyway, it's always disheartening when you pay good money for shit and they don't do the job.
Well, you kind of expect that nowadays.
Yeah, for 115 bucks an hour.